Are you looking for strong, seamless welding without the heat? Introducing the cold wire welding machine, the perfect solution for joining metal wires with zero distortion, no heat marks, and maximum strength. This machine is ideal for copper and aluminum wire, cable manufacturing and repair, electrical and industrial applications. Why should you choose this cold welding machine? 1. No external heat required. 2nd, high-quality joint strength. 3. Energy efficient and safe. 4. Smooth, clean finish every time. So boost your production efficiency and weld quality today. It is compact, fast, and built for heavy-duty performance. This is the future of wire joining. Call us now to place your order or request a demo. Available at Shineworldgroup Nigeria, official Nigerian branch of Shineworldgroup China. OR message us now to upgrade your welding game.
但我知道